Hello, I had many parakeets in my life. What are they called in Latin would be Melapsittacus undulatus, also budgie, a zebra parakeet, or just a parakeet. And they taught me how to speak a little bit of their language. I must warn you that I lost this ability to some extent because I had dentures, dental work in my mouth. And I lost this ability because now I can't clench my teeth quite well. But the sound goes like this. And to make a really rolling sound that goes on big distance, I lost this ability because of my dental work, but you must clench your back teeth molars together quite strong like this. And you can mix it with all different kind of clicking sounds that parrots and parakeets make, like and everything. So let me show you a picture. To reproduce this sound, you must have a groove in your tongue. Almost many people have it here on the tip of the tongue, and put it up into the palate, the upper wall of your mouth behind the teeth, and then squeeze the air through this groove that I showed you by raising the back of your tongue. It acts like a bird vocal cords or stomach. In the back you have air, in the front you have this tiny hole. Okay, that's basically how you talk to parakeets. Before I had it in a wider range, now just a little bit, and you can also use this to communicate with little birds like sparrows or anything sounding similar to parakeets, blue tits and everything. But remember that parakeets do love you, but if you communicate with wild birds, they will think that you are trying to take their territory. Okay, that's a short video. Thank you.